students, I am K.S. Sahni, your mathematics teacher. Welcome to new session. I hope you all are healthy and happy. In this session, we will discuss some problems based on NCERT exercise 1.1. These are some difficult examples and important from the board point of view. Now before that, there is a query from students. I told you in the previous session what are real numbers, all the known numbers that we know, that rational numbers, irrational numbers, they are all real numbers. Then a student asked, sir, tell me what type of numbers are not real या non real, what are non real numbers, ऐसे कौन से नंबर होते हैं जो real नहीं होते? The answer is, suppose we have a number square root minus 4. The value of square root minus 4 cannot be equal to 2 or minus 2. We can't find the value of square root minus 4. Square root minus 4 को हम 2 भी नहीं लिख सकते, because 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 4 और minus 2 भी लिख सकते हैं. तो ऐसे जितने भी नंबर होते हैं जिनमें स्क्वायर रूट में माइनस साइन आता है, the number of the form square root minus x, they are non-real numbers. They are what type of number? They are called non-real number, or these are called, what is the opposite of real? Imaginary. So these type of number are called imaginary numbers. So we have real numbers and all the numbers of the type square root minus x, like square root minus 4, that type of number are non-real number or imaginary number. Let us come back to our topic. Now we will do the question number 2 of NCERT. This question says that, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is any integer. So what is the meaning of, first of all we will discuss the meaning of this question. What does this question tell us? According to this question, every positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. What is q? Q is any integer. Suppose we put q is equal to 1, we get 6 into 1 plus 1, that is 7. 6 into 1 plus 3, that is 9. 6 into 1 plus 5, that is equal to 11. So if we put q is equal to 1, we get odd number 7, 9 and 11. It means the number 7 is of the form 6q plus 1. 6q plus 1 means 6 into some integer. What is the integer here? 1. So 6q plus 1, that is 6 into 1 plus 1. Similarly 6q plus 3 means 6 into some integer. What is the integer here? 1 plus 3, this is 9. 6 into 1 plus 5 is 11. So this number 7 is of the form 6q plus 1. Then 9 is of the form 6q plus 3. Then 11 is of the form 6q plus 5, where q is 1. Similarly, if we put q is equal to 0, we get 6 into 0 plus 1, that is 1. 6 into 0 plus 3, that is 3. 6 into 0 plus 5, that is 5. So when we put 0, q is equal to 0, the integer q is 0, we get 1, 3, 5, these are all odd numbers. If we put q is equal to 1, we get 7, 9, 11. It means 7 and 1 are of the form 6q plus 1. 9 and 3, they are of the form 6q plus 3. And 11 and 5, they are of the form 6q plus 5. Now, if we put the value of q2, then we get another positive integer, that is after 11 we get 13, 15 and so on. This is the meaning of the question. We have to prove this question by using Euclid algorithm. Yesterday I taught you, or in previous chapter I taught you the Euclid algorithm. What does Euclid division lemma state? That if for any positive integer a and b, there exist unique integers r and q such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 and r is less than b. What is the meaning of this statement? R is greater than 0. Whenever we divide, the remainder is always equal to 0 or greater than 0. But remainder is always less than b. If we divide any number with 6, the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 6 cannot be remainder. A divisor cannot be remainder. B is always, R is always less, remainder is less than B. It is always less than the divisor. Now, to prove this, let us consider by Euclid algorithm A is equal to BQ plus R. Let A is any positive integer and B is equal to 6. What we have taken? We have taken A is equal to any positive integer and B is equal to 6. Now according to Euclid algorithm, A is equal to how much? A is equal to BQ plus R. Though any integer A can be written as B, what is the value of B? 6 into Q plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 and R is less than, what is divisor here? 6. R is less than 6. So the possible value of QR, that is R, is the possible value of R are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what we have taken, let A is any positive integer and we have taken B6. Why we have taken B6? Because in the question the answer is, in the question is the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So we will see we have to take, to apply the Euclid algorithm we have to take B as a 6. We have taken let A is any positive integer and B is equal to 6. Then according to Euclid lemma, A is equal to how much? BQ plus R. In place of B we have written 6. So A is equal to 6q plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 and R is 6, is less than 6. Therefore possible value of R are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what are the possible values of A? A can take the values, possible values of R are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what are the possible values of A? The possible values of A are 6q. If we put R is equal to 0, the value of A is 6q. Then we have 6q plus 1. Then we have 6q plus 2. Then we have 6q plus 3. Then we have 6q plus 4. Then we have 6q plus 5. Now R cannot take the value 6 because remainder is always less than divisor. Out of these values of A, 6q is a even number, 6q plus 2 is a even number, 6q plus 4 is an even number. So what are odd numbers here? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Therefore, if A is any odd integer, it is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 और 6q plus 5. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें प्रूव करना था कि कोई भी पॉजिटिव ऑर्डर इंटीजर होता है वो किस फॉर्म में होता है? 6 into 6q plus 1 फॉर्म में या 6q plus 3 फॉर्म में या 6q plus 5 फॉर्म में. हमने क्या करा कि a को कितना ले लिया? a इज एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर और उसको किससे डिवाइड किया? 6 से. तो पॉसिबल a की वैल्यू क्या होंगी? 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. इनमें से 6q, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 और they are all positive even integer. And what are the odd integer left? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Therefore, if A is any odd integer, it is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5.
Start.
Yes. Now we will do the problem 4 of NCERT, exercise 1.1. According to this problem, use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive number is either of form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. First of all, we will try to understand the question. What is the meaning of this question? ये क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है कि किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर जो होगा वो किस फॉर्म में होगा, या तो 3m की फॉर्म में होगा या 3m + 1 की फॉर्म में होगा। m क्या है? इंटीजर है। फॉर एग्जांपल वी नो दैट 2 square is equal to 4. 2 square is equal to 4. It is of the form 3 into 1 plus 1. So what is its form? 3m plus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1 मतलब 3. And what is m here? Here m is 1. So 2 square of 2 is 4. It can be written as 3 into 1 plus 1. So it is of the form 3m plus 1. Similarly, the square of number 3. Square of 3 is 3 square. It is equal to 9. We can write 3 into 3. So what is its form? 3m. What is here m? M is here. What is the value of m here? 3. Similarly, the square of 4 is 4 square. It can be is equal to 16. It can be written as 3 into 5 plus 1. So what is m here? M is 5. Similarly, square of 5 is 5 square is equal to how much? 25. It can be written as 3 into 8 plus 1. So what is its form? Its form is 3m plus 1. Its form is also 3m plus 1. Similar, therefore the square of 3 square is 9. Its form is 3 into 3, that is 3m. What is m here? 3. Square of 4 is 16. What is its form? 3 into 5 plus 1. What is m here? 5. And it is of the form 3m plus 1. Similarly, square of 5 is 25. It is of the form 3 into 8 plus 1. What is m here? 8. So this is of the form 3m plus 1. So this is the meaning of this question, that every positive integer, square of any positive integer is of the form, either it is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. This we will prove with the help of Euclid algorithm or Euclid lemma. Let us prove with the help of Euclid lemma. According to the Euclid lemma, let a be any positive integer. Let a is equal to any positive integer then a can be written as bq plus r. A can be written as bq plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 and less than b. If you divide any number with 3, the remainders are 0, 1, 2. So let a be any positive integer, then a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than 0 and r is less than b. Let b is equal to 3. It means we are dividing a number with 3. So what is the value of possible value of r? 0, 1, 2. So it means we are dividing the what is the divisor here? 3. So remainder will be 0, 1, 2. हमने क्या किया कि divisor 3 b क्या लिया? 3 लिया. तो remainder क्या होता है? ये always equal to less than 3 होता है और 0 से greater होता है. तो remainder क्या होगा? 0, 1, 2. If r is equal to 0, what is a? A is equal to 3 cube. And now we have to prove that square of this number a is of the form 3m. So what is a square here? A square is equal to 3q square. So what is 3q square? It is 9q square. And it is of the form 3 into 3q square. And it is of the form 3m. So when we have taken, when r is 0, the value of a is 3 into q, that is 3q plus r is 0. Therefore value of a is equal to 3q, then a square is equal to 3q square is equal to 9q square, it is equal to 3 into bit. What is its form? 3m. If r is equal to 1, what is the value of a? A is equal to bq. Value of b, what we have taken? 3. Value of q as it is, remains as it is. What is the value of r? 1. Now value of a is equal to how much? 3q plus 1. And we have to prove that it's the square is the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So what is a square here? A square will be 3q plus 1 whole square. So it is equal to 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. Why we have opened by the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 3q square is 9q square, 1 square is 1, and 2 into 3q into 1 is 6q. So this we can write 9q square plus 6q plus 1. We take 3 common from these two terms. We take 3 common, so remainder remaining will be 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So it is of the form, what is the form of this? 3m plus 1. So when we have taken r is equal to 0, the value of number a is equal to 3q, it's a square is equal to 3q square is equal to 9q square, it is equal to 3 into 3q square, that is of the form 3m. If we have taken a is equal to 3q plus 1, then a is equal, when r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1, a square is equal to 3q plus 1 square. So we open the square with identity 9q square plus 1 plus a square plus b square plus 2ab, this is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Take 3 common. So here what is m? M is 3q square plus 2q. So it means this, when the value of a is in the form of 3q plus 1, the value of a square is 3 into q square plus 2q plus 1, this is of the form 3m plus 1. Now we will take the last. What is the last value of r? Now last value of r is 3. R can take value 3. If value of r is 3, then a is equal to 3q plus, then a is equal to 3q plus, if the value of r is, now we have taken the value of r is 2, then value of a is 3q plus 2. If the value of r is 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2, then a square is equal to how much? 3q plus 2 whole square. Again we open with the help of formula. 3q square is equal to how much? 9q square plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 3 the 6 to the 12q. So when we have taken r, the value of r is r2, then value of a is equal to 3q plus 2, then a square is equal to 3q plus 2 square, that is 9q square plus 4 plus 12q. Now we rearrange them. 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Split this 4 into 3 plus 1. Now take 3 common from these 3. So 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to, what is now, this is whole is m. So value of, this is of the form 3m plus 1. So we have proved that any positive integer a, its square can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. First we have taken a be any positive integer, then a is equal to how much? Bq plus r. Why? By Euclid algorithm a is equal to how much? Bq plus r. Let b is equal to 3. Now r can take the value 0, 1, 2 because when the divisor is 3, जब 3 से किसी को डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या है, तो 0 आ सकता है या 1 आ सकता है या 2 आ सकता है. तो r can take value 0, 1, 2. If r is equal to 0, a is equal to how much? 3q. Square of a square is equal to how much? Now we have to prove square, take its square because we have to prove square of any positive integer. A square is equal to 3q square that is 9q square, it is equal to 3 into 3q square. So what is its form? 3m. When we have taken r is equal to 1, a is equal to how much? 3q plus 1, because in place of b we have to write 3 and in place of r we have to write 1. So a square is 3q plus 1 square, that is 9q square, open with the help of identity, plus 1 plus 6q. Now readjust is 9q square plus 6q, take it before 1, then take 3 common, 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So this whole becomes m, and this is of the form 3m plus 1. Similarly, if you take a is equal to 3q plus 2, now we have taken r is equal to 2. Now a square is equal to 3q plus 2 square is equal to 9q square plus 4 plus 12q. 9q square plus 12q, we have split 4 into 3 plus 1, and we have taken 3 common from first 3 terms. 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 in bracket plus 1, and this is of the form 3m plus 1. So the possible values of a are 3q and 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2, and we have proved that for each value of a, the value of a square is either of the form 3m or it is of the form 3m plus 1. Now we will do the next question. Solve the question number 5 of NCERT exercise 1.1. Use Euclidean lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is either of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m. So first of all, you note that any positive integer is of the form 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. This you have to learn. कि any positive, कोई भी positive integer जो होता है हम उसको या तो 3q की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, या 3q plus 1 की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, या 3q plus 2 की फॉर्म में लिखा था. This we have done in previous question also. So हमने प्रूव करना है कि अब इसका क्यूब जो है या तो 9m की फॉर्म में होगा, या 9m plus 1 की फॉर्म में होगा, या 9m plus 8 की फॉर्म होगा for any some integer m. Like we have, like what is the value of 3 cube? 3 cube is equal to 3 and 9 3 the 27. So what is its form? 9 into 3. That it is of the form 9m. Similarly, 4 cube is 64. Now what is its form? 9 into 7 plus 1. That is, it is of the form 9m plus 1. What is m here? 7. Similarly, the cube of any positive integer, either it is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. It means 9 into some integer, or 9 into something plus 1, or 9 into some integer plus 1, or 9 into some integer plus 8. So we start proving this by, first we know any positive integer. This you have to remember that in last question we have done, any positive integer is of the form 3q. How? If you take q is equal to 0, now the integer will be 3 into q, 0 is 0, 3 into 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 into 0 plus 2 is 2. So we get the integer 0, 1, 2. It means 0 is of the form 3q, and 3q and 1 is of the form 3q plus 2, and 2 is form 3q plus 2. Similarly, if you take q is equal to 1, so this becomes 3 into 1, this becomes 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 4, this becomes 3 into 1 plus 2, that is equal to 5. It means 0 and 3 are of the form 3q, and 1 and 4 are of the form 3q plus 1, and 3 and 2 and 5 are of the form 3q plus 2. So this is the fact that every positive integer, whatever it may be, it is of the form 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So let a is equal to any positive integer. So it is of the either form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now we have to prove that its q will be of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let first a is equal to how much? 3q. So what is a cube? A cube will be how much? 3q whole cube. It is equal to 3 3 and 9 3 the 27q cube. So what is its form? 9 into, we can write 9 into 3 cube. So what is its form? 9m. So it is of the form 9m. If we take a is equal to 3 cube plus 1, then what is a cube? 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. Now we have to use the formula a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? Is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we will open this by this identity 3 cube cube, a cube 3 cube cube plus b cube 1 cube plus 3 into a square, that is 3 cube whole square, into b is 1 plus 3 into a, that is 3 cube, and plus 1 into 1 square. Now what is the value of 3 cube cube? 3 cube cube is 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 cube cube plus 1, 3 are 9, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 cube square plus 9 cube. Now we rearrange them. We take q as q square and q term before 1. So it becomes 27 cube cube plus 27 q square plus 9 cube plus 1. You take 9 common from first 3 terms. If we take 9 common from first 3 terms, this becomes 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. So this becomes 9m plus 1. This whole becomes m. So what is its form? 9m plus 1 form. So the possible values of our a 3 cube. If we have taken a is equal to 3 cube, then a cube is equal to 3 cube cube. It is equal to 27 cube cube. It is of the form 9 into 3 cube square, that is form 9m. If we take a is equal to 3 cube plus 1, then a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. Then open with the identity 3 cube, that is 27 cube cube. 1 cube is 1. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 cube, and 3 into 3 9 cube. Readjust them. Take 1 at the last. Take 9 common from these 3 terms. So we get 9 into 3 cube square plus 3 cube cube plus 3 cube square plus q plus 1. This whole becomes m, so 9m plus 1. So if a is equal to 3 cube plus 1, then a cube is of the form 9m plus 1. Now last value of a is, now a can take the value 3 cube plus 2. If a is equal to 3 cube plus 2, then what is a cube? A cube is equal to 3 cube plus 2 whole cube. So this is equal to, again we have to apply the identity 3 cube cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 3 cube square into 2 plus 3 into 3 cube into 2 square. So what is the value of a cube? It is 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 cube cube plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 into 2, that is 54 cube plus 3 3 are 9 for the 36 cube. Now rearrange them. Take 8 at the last. So it is 27 cube cube plus 54 cube plus 36 cube plus 8. Now take 9 from the common from these 3 terms. So if you take 9 common, so it becomes 3 cube cube plus 6 cube plus 4 cube plus 8. So what is in this form? 9m plus 8. What is m here? This whole bracket is m, that is 3 cube cube plus 6 cube plus 4 cube plus 8. So this is of the form 9m plus 8. So any positive integer is of the form 3 cube plus 1 and 3 cube plus 2. And we have taken, now we have to prove that their cube is 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. If we have taken a is equal to last one 3 cube plus 2, its cube we have proved that equal to 9m plus 8. So every integer, the cube of any integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.